Alright, this is one that I've already turned the spool shape on, and I'm going to show how to cut a heart symbol in this one. I want to mark on this spool where I want that heart. This will be the top. That will be the inside point, and that will be the bottom of the heart. First thing we do is to cut a shallow cut inside for the bottom part of the heart. To make a back cut up inside that for the upper part of the heart. And I made a tool from a file with a hook on it so that it can go up inside of that cut. And that's all there is to it. When this is slit in half and then again in quarters, and you put those two inside out, you'll have a heart silhouette. I'll show you also how to do a star, since it's very similar. We'll take this one off. Put on another one. And again, I'm going to mark where I want that star. That'll be the top of one point. And the star arms go back in at that point to about there, and then the lower legs of the star will be cut back in on this side. This takes an arrow tool to cut the arms of the star and the legs of the star. Again, it's just a file that is ground down to a sharp point. You have to move around the other side here. If you want to get over on this side. This would be the top point of the star. That's the two arms of the star, and then the legs will come in this direction, parallel to this surface right here. that's the star. You want to cut the surface, and that one inside about the same length. In this case, I need a little more. And then this one should be the same depth as that one is wide. And that's the star symbol. This is half of a star, and when it's cut in half and in quarters and put back together inside out, you'll have a star symbol. These are the two that take a special tool. Most of the other ones can be done with a standard scraper tool as long as it's very narrow. And you may have to make your own, but they can be easily made like this one is in that hook tool from any old file. These are good high carbon steel. As I mentioned before, these can be, after they're finished, let's go back over to the other table.